Yes, all students, a very good evening, and I wholeheartedly welcome you all for Enlightened Educators. And today I'm here with one more important update. So, ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬಹುದು, I have discussed regarding VTU 2015, 17, 18 scheme revaluation application out and a motivational video. I hope you all have got to know that revaluation applications are open. Yeah. Okay. But now one thing I wanted to discuss again is the 18 scheme exam applications open agide and many have applied for exams. So one who doesn't know regarding that, please to apply SM. Right? ಯಾರು ಇವತ್ತೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. I don't know what's the matter in, but you are supposed to apply ASAP, right? And one thing like from my side, that is kind request from my side, say so what's the matter is you all people, just try to wait for somebody to tell that the application has been released or applications are out so that I can go and apply it. Don't do that, especially one who is having 18, 15, 17, 21, who's having a backlog, right? 21 scheme maklu gottagute because they're still in college and they get to know. But 18, 17 and 15, you're not in college, please do remember. You're outside the college. And you people, what I can say, and you people are supposed to make sure that you should be always in touch with the college. You should always ask your college when will my application open. Okay na, ನೀವೇ ಕೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. It's all that comes into your head, right? All the duty that will comes into your head. So my kind request, very sorry for the distraction, kind request from my side to you all is, please to make sure that you all have a good contact with the college. Ask your college and start applying from now. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು start applying for our exams. Okay, and all the best for our exams at 18, 15 and 17 scheme ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. We are having a very good lecture series, as you all know. So ನಮ್ಮ lecture series na follow ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ, whatever the backlog you have. So I kindly request all 18, 15 and 17 scheme to share your backlogs in here in the comment section so that I can check with your backlogs and tell what can be done. Okay, yeah. So now separate agi adike antane maana, because the same subjects will be there, like say network control and ESP and signal and system and others, but ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ modifications ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So according to the modification and according to your syllabus, let's discuss. Actually I am discussing with the control system. As you all can see today, we released the control system, this module 4 part 1 important tips and tricks. So we have discussed on all the questions that comes in module 4, especially regarding Routh-Hurwitz criterion. So ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ students. For 17 scheme and 15 scheme, it is always module 3 Routh-Hurwitz criterion. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇದ್ಯಾವುದು module 4 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. 2022 ಸ್ಕೀಮಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ module 4, 18ಗೂ module 3 ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, I don't remember, but 2022 ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಗೆ 200% it's module 4 and 17, 15 ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ module 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So Routh-Hurwitz criterion ಅಲ್ಲಿ what are the questions that's been asked and how well you have to work for that question. We have discussed regarding we need to construct an array and then start with finding the range of k for stability and all of this ನಾವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಚ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ without fail, and let's continue doing lots and lots of videos regarding it ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ videos ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ watch ಮಾಡಿ. Whatever the doubts you have and problems you have, please to message me on Telegram, that's Enlightened Educators, and join our group Enlightened Educators and start texting me personally so that I can connect to you and the work can be done. Okay na. And materials ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವಿ ಕಾನ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ materials which is currently present now, because ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ swap ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, because like I can't assure that the old syllabus is retained and the old syllabus ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ವಾಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೀಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸದ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ವಾಚ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೀಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಫೇಲ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ I kindly request you all to watch it. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸಿಂಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. There also you can check it out on video sync if you can get the materials for whatever you ask it for ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, I just wanted to say to students and thank you.